Hey there you guys, it is me, Random Josh, and I'm back again with another Face Mask Friday! And today, as you can tell, we're continuing our series, and I believe this is the final one? Final look? Yes it is. Had to just calculate that then. This is the final Halloween makeup tutorial of this month of October, so I hope you've enjoyed all of these. This one here is the Fallen Angel look, so pair this with a nice black wig or some hair. Just if you've got black hair, it will look really nice. That and just this is it basically. I don't know what else to say. But if you'd like to see how we achieve this look, then stay tuned because it's coming right now. So to begin this look, as normal, we'll be starting with some lovely primer. Just spreading that all over the face as normal. And next we're just going in with some foundation, so this is obviously open to whatever skin shade you are. I'm using my NYX one with my NYX brush as well, just to get a nice even coverage of foundation. So now, as you can see, we're actually going in with a bit of concealer here, just in the high points of the face, so under the eyes, on the forehead and on the bridge of the nose, just to add a little bit of definition. And we're using our beauty blender there just to blend that all in and just finish the face. So now onto contour. So I'm just taking that darker shade and just trying this different technique of dragging it down into the hollows of the face, as that's how my face tends to look and go. That's just how it works for me. And also using some different techniques here as well with the dots and into the temples, focusing a lot of the darkness in there, and again taking my little finger into the nose contour. So now we're actually going in with the highlight shade. So this is just the middle shade at the top of the palette, taking that underneath the eyes and also over the forehead, spreading that out a little bit, and also down the bridge of the nose and anywhere else where you would expect there's a highlight. And now, of course, time to buff that all out using a buffing brush. Yeah, just trying to blend those colours and marry it all together into a seamless glow and contoured beauty look. So now we're just setting all those cream contours with some bronzer here. So yeah, just going over those different spots, trying not to add a huge amount because we're not looking to fully deepen this look. It was more just to set those and give a little bit of a deeper look, but not a huge amount. So now onto just general powder. I'm just taking this one, as everyone knows, this is just the one that I have. I do need to invest in a better powder though, just to collect all those oils. And now we're actually onto the eyebrows. So for these brows, I actually went for a slightly minimalistic look. I know they still look a lot wilder compared to my normal brows, and I did just do a mistake there, but I wanted to keep that in anyways, because brows, you know, you make mistakes with the brows. But yeah, they still look wilder, but a lot less defined than normal. So now just going in with this black shade and taking just a small eyeshadow brush there and just packing that over the eye. Starting off small, mainly focusing more of the intensity towards the mid waterline of the eye, and then just kind of blending it out a little bit to begin with. So you can be as rough as you want at this point, because you know it is a fallen angel, it's not meant to look perfect. So now you can see here we're actually taking a fluffy brush and just blending those edges out, just so that it gives a nice smooth smoky finish. And I did go back in again in a very short moment, and first of all we take it underneath the eye just so that it looks a bit more natural. And I also at that point used my finger just to blend it slightly so that it wasn't too horrendously blended, and then also using the blending brush as well. So now onto mascara, just adding a light coat of just any generic mascara is fine, just to give those eyelashes a little pop they need. So now we're actually going into some face paints here. I'm taking that black face paint shade and we're just roughly tracing out some almost like teardrops. And you did see there that I actually used my finger to try and blend some of those out. So you want to vary in sizes and opacities. So I started off with some lighter ones and then go in with some more deeper, darker ones. And you can just go as wild as you want with this point, because you can go big. I don't think I made mine ridiculously big. You could go so much bigger than that and do a lot more, but you want to keep the detail in there. So now we're actually just setting this face here. Just as always, you've got to set your makeup. And now of course highlight time. So yeah, just as always, putting it on those high points. Got to get that, you know, bling bling look. It's very fleeky. So now we're actually going on to the lips here. I'm just applying this gorgeous shade from Jeffree Star on the lips.
Okay there, so this is the finished look. Yeah, questionable, of course, because it's me. The reason that these have slight little bits of red in them, basically the brush that I was using, this little bubba here, it already had some red face paint on. Didn't wash it off because I thought I shouldn't need to, but when the black started fading off of the brush, the red started coming through. I actually think that it's given quite a funky look. I don't know about you guys, but it's quite awesome. It's just a little bit different, it's a little bit unique, but I kind of like it. But yeah, the contour's quite strong for what I normally do, but I like this. And it was super quick and easy, and I won't lie, I came up with this on the fly, as you do, because that's what I like doing. I like just going with the flow and having a bit of fun with it. But if you did like this look, then make sure you're, you know, checking out some of my other makeup tutorials. And also, if you want to recreate this look, all the products will be down below in the description, so that you can do this look also. One other thing, if you do recreate this look, I would love to see it. I want to see it done better. I think the only change that I'd maybe make is go for a black lip or a darker lip, because this is a bit too bright for this kind of makeup, but it was probably the darkest that I had because I don't really wear dark lips. So, you know, we kind of just went with it. Like I said, on the fly makeup. Can't go wrong. But anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to let me know down below, as always. And yes, I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, witches.